Welcome student, I am Dr. Bharat Gadak, Assistant Professor, Department of Geography, KRTR, BH Commerce and AM Science, popularly known as KTHM College. Students, friends, I warmly welcome you to today's class. We are talking about GGDT 114, Principle of Population and Settlement Geography, paper number 4 and semester number 1st. And now, topic name is Population Structure and Characteristics. Today we are going to learn topic name is age and sex structure. Student, last lecture will be discussed for the last topic for population growth and trends. Student, friends, now is the age structure. What is the age structure and what is the age structure will be defined for the different agencies and different nations. From the United Nations of the define as the age as means age and structure, which is the estimate of calculated interval time between the date of birth and date of census, expressed as is completed solar years. Very important here, very important that this definition very important. The estimate or calculated interval into of time between the date of birth and date of on the date of census. Express the of time between the date of birth and death rate expressions complete solar years. It is also recommended that is the information on age should be collected in the census of asking the date of birth and individual day, month and year. By asking the direct question of option information on the age of the last birthday, and by asking both these questions together, the the question on the date of birth is obviously yields more accurate information of age. It is not always possible to obtain date of birth from the population in which the majority are either illiterate or semi-literate. Now, in such a situation, information of age is collected by asking about the age complete on the last birthday. So, it is easy enough to ask question of age. It is extremely difficult to obtain correct information about the age when the people are literate and semi-literate are ignored about their own age. In India, it is not uncommon an enumerator of the investigator in the census or demographer survey being held. I do not know my age. Maybe I am a 30 or 35-year-old. Why do not you decide how old I am? The practice of registration birth is not yet widely followed in India, and therefore birth certificate is not available by the Indian people. There is a great deal or in the on this matter is correct age, because Indians generally do not have the any precise situation where they have the proof of age. The Indian age data therefore the show concentration of populations at the certain age. For Indian prefer to report their age in numbers of ending in 0 to 5. Error in age reporting also creeps in because your carelessness and re-knocking age, misunderstanding of the questions and deliberate missed statement. As the age data may be the defective because of several seasons, demographic first evaluate them that determine the nature and magnitudes of error and make the necessary adjustment before using such data for demographic analysis. For illustrations, will this suppose it indicate the need of such evaluation and adjustment? According to the different censuses, I find the difference of male and age. This is analysis of age structure very important here too. The age data is usually available in the form of single years, that is the number of person in the population of age 13, 14, 15, etc. For demographic analysis, however, the data is seldom used in this form. It is a customary form that classified them the 5-year age groups such as 0 to 4, 5 to 9, 10 to 14 and 15 to 15 to 19, 20 to 24 and so on. The age data, this classified as mutual exclusive age group, are used for an analysis of the age structure of any population and also useful for the wide variety of analytical process. The age structure of any population is mostly commonly studied with the help of simple mathematical assure like the percentage distribution and equally simple measure like age pyramid. And other measures used for analysis the age structure are the average, mean, mode and median, and the few other indices because on the distribution of person in various age groups. The simplest method of the percentage of distributions on the population based on absolute number of various 5 years groups. They indicate the number of person in the age group if the total number of person considered is 100. The measure is helpful for forming and data and idea about the age structure of any population and is used for describing. It is also used for compare the age structure on two or more population at a point of time and compare the age structure of the same population in different points of time. The age sex histograms known as age sex pyramid may be used precisely same purpose. Mainly this is the very important here the structure of the the populations of structure than age sex structure. Very important here. Now, therefore, the some basic determinant of age sex composition of population. They include the naturally mortality, mobility. Now, Clark is lightly point out that the three determinant of age structure and three independence any changes of the many influence or the variable of socio-economic condition influence the age structure. It is very important here. Now, discussion of the age sex structure. Now, student, this is the topic number 4. The topic name is population structure and characteristics. Now, here will be discussed one by one. The topic first one age and sex structure. The concept of aging population. Now, third point is dependency ratio. Age-sex definition affecting factor of sex ratio in India. Now, factor composition of religious, linguistic, ethic, material, and educational. Now, literacy definition of major literacy and literacy of India. Now discussion with the age sex structure is one of the most important characteristics of population composition. Very important here discussion. Almost all population characteristics are very significantly on the age. Very important here to the age composition to the age sex composition. Almost all the characteristics are very significantly on the age. Now as a age statistic from the an important component of population analysis as most of the analysis is based on age sex structure of the populations. Now the usefulness of the age data is more noticeable when it is cross classified by variable like marital status, literacy, educational attainment, economic activity, which is where the age of different pattern. Now, apart from the purely demographic concern, the age sex data structure is require age-specific analysis of the data for planning, scientific, technical, and commercial purpose. Now, the dependency ratio, which is the ratio of the economically active and economically inactive process, and independent is dependent on age compositions. Now, India has one of the largest proportion of population is younger age group in world is 35.3% of the population of the country has been the age group for 0 to 14 years. Now in 2011 census of now 41% of the population account of the for less than 18 years of the age. Now here will be age structure will be discussed what is meant by age. Very different definition will be discussed for the age structure and what is meant by age. The United Nations of defining as age the estimated or calculated interval of time between the date of birth and date of census expressed in complete solar year means age. This is age. This is age definitions. The estimated or calculated interval of time between the date of birth and date of census expressed in a complete year. Now, it is also recommended that recommended information although a schedule be collected in the census by the asking the date of birth in the individual day, month and year. By asking the direct question of obtaining information on the age of the last birthday and by asking the both of these last question together. Now the complete age of the last birthday very important. The age data may be defective because the several reasons demographer first evaluated than to to determine the nature and magnitude to error that may then make the necessary adjustment before using the such data for demographic analysis. Now here will be discuss of the analysis of the lecture from age compositions. Age is a scientific very important study of age composition since the age composition of decided need educational influence medical facility availability of labor force also it is dependent of age composition for the well-being of the society also essential for no other proportion of a voter in the total population that is age of the people as also the proportion of people who cannot be recruited to the defense force. Age composition population is essential to calculated projected population age composition also needed to decide policies related to insurance, old age pension, need for homes and old people, educational institute and medical establishment. Mortality is also closely related to age composition. Similarly, dependency burden also depend on age composition. Age composition also influence the proportion of married person and birth rate. Influence factors affecting for the world population. Age composition of population is influence the fertility, mortality, and migration, war, etc. Decline the fertility was associated with increased expectancy of life. So the change in the age composition in the developed countries for until 1940s were the mainly related to change of fertility. In developing countries, despite of declining mortality, there were no substantial changes of age composition since fertility continued to the remain high. In other hand, South America during the period 1930-1960, because the rapid decline of mortality, proportion of this between 14 years of the total population increased in 41% and 45%. All these examples clearly show the relationship between fertility, mortality on the other hand, age composition on of the other hand. Age composition of population is also influenced by migration, immigration of people lead to the increase and proportion of people below the 15 years or the above 16 years against lead of the decrease. Proportion of people and the age group of 15 to 59 years of particularly this age group is 15 to 35 years. Besides, it is also lead to the increase of proportion of females in the total population as against this. Immigration result in this increase the proportion of people at the age of group age 50 to 59 years, particularly that is the male. On the other hand, it is lead to the decrease in proportion of those below the 15 years and above the 16 years, that is the female of total population. Age composition of people population is also influenced the wars. Due to the war, there is loss of life and mortality increase. During this war, soldiers are away from their families, which is the result and lowering of birth rate. After the war, many times of birth rate increase. During the Second World War, the large number of American soldiers were away from these families. After the families were reunited, as a result of this birth rate, USA suddenly increased and the phenomenon is known as the baby boom. This is also suddenly influence the changes in fertility and mortality. This change influence the composition of population, the impact of which is felt to several years upwards. Now here, the analysis age data is analysis available age structure from the single years of the number of person in the population for 13, 15 and 49. Now it is the customary is classified from the 5 years age group for 0 to 5 and 5 to 9. The age group, the age structure is any population of age is mostly common studied with the help of simple mathematical measures like percentage. Now distribution and equally measured by measures like age and pyramid. Now other measure used for the analysis of age structure on average for age, mean, mode, median, and few other indices based on distribution of person in various age group. Difference. Now simple measure is the percentage of distribution of the population based on absolute number of in various 5 years age group, and indices indicate the number of person in age groups in the total number of person considered is 100. Now distribution of population in India according to the 5 year age groups in 2011. So now this is the age group population and percentage around the age group and percentage mean the 0.4 per 0.4 age groups is 10.7%. Now 5 to 9 is 12.5% and 10 to 14 is 12.1%. 15 to 19 is 9.7% and 20 to 24 is 8.7%. And now 25 to 44 is 27%, and 45 to 64 is 30.5%, and 65 to 70 and 89 79 is 4%, and more than it is 0.8%. Mostly for 25 to 44% in around the 27% people populations, means very important here around the 1/4 part of the total 100 of the 1/4 part is mainly in concentrated in 25 to 44 age groups. Is population percentage in concentrated in age group number is 25 to 44 age group, mainly 27.6% of the concentrated age group in 25 to 44%. Now here factor determine the age structure of the population. Very important here topic will be discussion of the different determinant of the age structure of populations. Now here are the three basic determinant of the age composition of population. Three including mortality, mobility. Rightly point out that is the three determinant of age structure and interdependent of any change In ones, they may be influence of the other two of it is the three variables that is the socio-economic condition influence the age structure. It is the fertility that is the that determinant of proportion of population is the different age categories. That is why the countries of Latin America, Africa, and Asia, which is characterized by the high birth rate, display large proportion in young age group. Since the longevity of life, this is the countries. It is also short in the proportion of population in the old age group is also not very high. In most of the countries, this containment about the 2/5 of the population is below 15 years of the age. In India, 26.5% of the population is younger than 15 years according to the last census. By contrast, any the countries wide low fertility rates and long expectation of lives have been about the 1/4 of their populations in the young age groups, but is the proportion of population in the older age groups in their countries is relatively large. Thus, most of the countries in Europe and North America, which is have the completely their demographic transition, have the age composition where the proportion of young population is low, that is that of the old population is high. The continuous downward trends in fertility contribute to the increase in the proportion of population in older age, such as been case of the United States, northwestern European countries, and CIS countries, Australia, New Zealand, and Japan. Mortality also affects age composition of population. However, its impact upon age structure depending on largely upon the various mortality rates in different ages. In general, if the survival rate of the only in the childhood improve, the proportion of children will trend to rise, and that of the older people will tend to fall. And if the survival rate improvement take place only among the people among the older people, the proportion of older people will improve, but that is the children will tend to fall. Similarly, if the mortality is low both among the younger and older age groups in the contribute to an increase in the proportion of person in the higher age groups, as in the case of most advanced countries. By contrast, if the decline in mortality is sharper is lower age groups than the older age groups, it will result in the swelling of the numbers of the younger age groups, as in the case of most of the populations in developing countries. The impact of migration in the composition of population can be displayed in a similar way, but the specific impact of migration is age distribution of very different age groups. Now, here, different part of fertility and mortality because the migrants have their own typical age pattern as well as a natural increase pattern. As the migrant tends to the relatively younger and possessing the high rate of natural increase, there the usual short-term impact is the decline in the proportion of older adult and age population. The youthfulness effect continues if the volume of migration is maintained. The youthful effects will tend and decline. However, if the volume of immigrant tapers off, new the migration happen to be older age. Thus, the impact of migration upon the structure is largely because of the fact that migration tends to age selective. As people in the working of age group is 15 to 30 are more mobile than the more people in the younger age groups, the age structure of the two areas involved in the process get modified significantly. The basic factors of fertility, mortality, migration apart, the age structure of the population is also influenced significantly by wars, which is highly males and selective and consequently contrastive and natural climate is population policies. The impact of wars is most pronounced of the age distribution as these take the heavy toll of young males. The eliminations of people and of the particular age group also the effects of fertility, which in its own turn and influence the age distribution. The irregularity in the age of distribution of population, which are either due to the wars, continue to remain there, shifting from the one age group to another until the complete elimination of that age group. Similarly, natural calamities and catastrophic, as the way came, leave their own impact upon the age distribution until the affect age groups live entire age certain population policies with the fair reaching implications. That is why the adoption then adopted by the country also make the impact felt upon the age distribution, that is country of population. For instance, the legalization of abortion in Japan immediately after the Second World War resulted in sequence of Japan expanding population between 0 to 5 age groups. Mainly, the factor determining the age structure of populations. Now, the effect of fertility and mortality demographers interpret the increase of proportion of elderly age group population is consequence of the joint effect or decline rate of the fertility of mortality. While the declining fertility is considered to be responsible for the shrinking of the base of the population pyramid, the declining mortality was thought and contributed to the widening of the periods. Effects of migration on age structure. It is the proportion of number of young adult among the net migration is large. The effect of aging of the population tend to get returned. International as well the internal migration can be effects to age structure of the populations. Now effects of OR and age structure, it is directly affected to OR and consolidated there many effects male in the younger age groups. OR also affect because the indirect effects have the fertility. During the war, man in the force is separated from the waves in the long periods. As the inhibited fertility in the immediate post war period, however, there is often baby boom because couple of unit up once again and migrate postponed and because it is war they solonize. The age sex parameters is affect as the similar size coherent during the war and the bigger size coherent after the war move upward with the passage of time. This is very important factors of these effects of fertility and mortality, the impacts of migration and structure and the war of the age structure. This is the factors of determining the age structure of population. Student discussion with what is meant by age structure, different topic and determinant of the age structure, that different classified form that measures for the age structure. Student, any doubt, any query, ask me anytime. Write a mail bharatgadak@ktchamballi.ac.in. Student will stop here to be next point, next day, next lecture to be continue. Okay, good day, bye bye.